guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mika. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Today we are going to be checking out the Writech Sign brush pens and some liquid roller gels, so stay tuned. So the body is very soft, smooth to the touch, and it does not come with the name of the color. Actually, it's not color identified anywhere. I mean, the caps kind of help you know which shade you're using, but they don't have a name. And if we check in the back of the box, they don't have a name either. Maybe on their website, which I honestly have not checked out yet, but no name. So I kind of like gave them a name myself. So that's about the body, but it's truly a pleasure to hold in. It's just very soft and comfortable. The nib, or the tip as you prefer to call it, is very small. It's not the smallest I've seen, but it's truly tiny. It's like a rubberized kind of nib. When you touch it, it feels hard, but it does allow you to get the thin and thick strokes that make it perfect for lettering and calligraphy. So this is compared to the Pentel Touch, and as you can tell, the Pentel Touch is small and thin, but it's larger than the Writech one. And this one is one of my favorite pens on earth when it comes to small brush pens, and it's the Pilot Petite 3. And still, the Pilot Petite 3 is tiny bit bigger than this. So among my small brush pen collection, I would still say this one is by a tiny bit smaller than the others. So when it comes to the ink, it is a water-based ink, so you can treat this as you would any water-based marker, and water soluble. You can mix them together, and you know, tip with tip, which I'm gonna try like right now. So let me grab another color, maybe this burgundy one, and I'm gonna try to see how they blend together, doing it tip to tip, because you know you usually can do this with any water-based marker. So yeah, they blend. As you can tell, the V started off darker, and now the marker has gotten its original color again, and the nib is back to normal. So if you can use them like this, you can also use with the pick it up method. Like you add ink on an acrylic or ceramic, and then you pick it up and you mix your inks together. So this nib feels extremely resistant, like, you know, it will endure the test of time. So I am so very surprised by these pens, to be honest. They feel sturdy, like they won't fray quickly. In quality, they pretty much feel like the Pentel or like the Tombow de Fudenosuke, but even a little bit harder than the Pentel. Maybe because I have written so much with this that I already broke them in and they are soft, but this one feel firmer. Like I can letter with them a lot, and the nib is just not gonna fray in the first week of use, you know. So I really like that about this pen so far. So when it comes to storage of these babes, I contacted them through Instagram, and they were kind enough to reply that it truly does not matter if you keep them vertical or horizontally. It won't affect the pen at all, so you are free to store them as you wish. Also, this pack has 12 pieces. It's like very vintage-ish colors, and it cost me on Amazon $16. The police is searching for something, not for me. I didn't do it. Okay, so honestly, it's a very good price for this quality and this amount of pen. This is the swatch I made of all of the shades of the Sign brush pens by Writech. When it comes to comparisons, I wanted to compare these to the Pentel Touch and the Pilot Petit 3 because these are the small ones that I got. I mean, I also got one by Kelly Creates, but that set that I got from Kelly Creates does not have a red, so I'm gonna use the pink because yeah, that's what I got. So I'm thinking, is that all? Yeah, that's it. I don't have any more small brush pens. I can't believe it. Anyways, so now we are gonna see them in action, like how they actually write and the width of the stroke. So there is very good ease of transition with this one. Like, it's really not hard at all, and it's a very delicate you would say fine line. So now we are gonna try the Pentel Touch. You see the shade is different and the difference in width is there, like it's obvious, because as I mentioned before at the beginning of this video, the Pentel Touch, I'm sorry about that noise, my daughter, the Pentel Touch is softer, so it bends more and allows you to make something like this. Now when I try to do the same with this one, I can go a little bit thicker, but it's not gonna be comparable to this. So both are small brush pens, but this one remains the smallest of them. Now let's see the Pilot Petit, because the Pilot Petit is also a very soft nib brush pen. So in width it's similar to this one, to the Pentel, but it's not right there yet. Wait, the transition is ugly. That one is better. Now let's compare, let's do the same letter. Okay, and I don't know if you can tell, but the Pentel remains being the brush pen, the small brush pen with the thicker stroke. Now let's switch to Kelly Creates, this is a pink. These Kelly Creates feel very soft too. Very soft and easy to write with them, and I gotta say I've had them for quite some time and they haven't frayed, so they are good. So I think the Kelly Create, when it comes to thickness, is right there with the Pilot Petit. They have similar width. The Pentel Touch is a little bit bigger, and this one still is the smallest of them all, which is not bad. It's not a bad thing. It's just a brush pen to do a little bit more detail and fine lettering. I mean, if you want to imitate a little bit that that pointed pen calligraphy thing going on, I think with this one is easier to do because it gives you less of a thick stroke, but it also gives you a better hairline. So that's not the only thing I got. As you saw at the beginning of the video, I also got the Writech Liquid roller pens. So these are really cute. I don't use roller pens at all too much, but I could not resist these ones, guys. They are so pretty. So this is the vintage set, and I'm gonna be swatching all these beautiful babes for you. again, they don't come with a color description or color code anywhere in the barrel. All they have is this, and if you remove this sticker, it's a sticker, right? Yeah, it's a sticker. If you remove that sticker, probably you have no identification whatsoever on the barrel, but still, they're cute. They feel very minimalistic, you know. You can clap the cap on the other side for more comfort. And this is a 0.5 millimeter nib. So let's write down. So as a side note, probably you need to prep this like scratch, you know, leftover piece of paper and do this a little bit, because at the beginning probably the ink is not as flowy as you would expect, but once you have done this for a while, it starts to come right out. These are the swatches of the liquid roller pen, the vintage set to be more specific, and I think they are gorgeous. I love them, that's why I got them. They also have a bright color set for people who is more into this type of pens and like bright colors. I mean, I do like bright colors too, you know, hence the name of this channel, but I don't use this too much, and the only reason why I got this is because I just look at these, they are gorgeous, so I couldn't help myself, and I'm gonna find a way to use them. I don't need this too much, but I still wanted to have them because yeah, that's how I am. I can't stop. So I'm gonna put them back in here, and that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, you know, leave a comment, you know, all that kind of love helps this channel a lot. And also remember, I got an Instagram account if you feel like going over there. So say hi if you do, and keep in touch through here, because I'm gonna be uploading some more reviews and other videos and tutorials, and I'm working on some stuff that I want to share with you soon. So I'm gonna shut up now, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.